Let's create one more component of the car engine. In this tutorial, you'll learn to make the exhaust manifold. And if you missed the other video, you can download this file in the description and the continuity is saved from here. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, go to Assembly and select a new component, the parent, the car engine, and the component name, Exhaust Manifold, and make sure that it is activated and press OK. I will hide the others component. And now go to create a sketch and select the top plane and select the 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here. The distance here is 63.5 millimeters by 385.35. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 146.05. And here, make sure that this rectangle is coincident with the midpoint. And now select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, make a rectangle here with 38.1 by 31.75 millimeters. And in the corners, make a fillet with 6.35 millimeters of radius. And press OK. And here, select a line, a construction line type. Find the center of this line here and make a line between the center of this line and this point. And make sure that this line here is a horizontal line. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and this one is 27.31. And now go to rectangular pattern and the object, select this rectangle and the distribution, select spacing, the direction, select this axis here, this line, and let me move this a little bit. The quantity here is 3 and the distance is 146.05 millimeters and press OK. Let me hide the constraints a little bit. Just to show for you the distance here. And now go to create and select ellipse. Make an ellipse here. The distance here is 114.68 millimeters. Click here. And the distance here is 47.61. We needed to remove the construction line type, sorry. And let me move the dimensions here a little bit. And here go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select the center of the ellipse and select this point. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this line here is 35.68 millimeters. And now go to create and select a rectangular pattern, select this ellipse. The direction is this one. The quantity here 2, distribution spacing, and the distance here is 146.05 millimeters. And now finish the sketch and go to create a sketch, select the right plane and select the circle, make a circle here with 38.1 millimeters and go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint is 63.5, and make sure that this point is horizontal with the midpoint, and finish the sketch. And now go to construct and select offset plane, select the right plane. The distance here is 146.05 millimeters, and press OK. And make another offset plane, but now from this new plane here, the distance is 146.05. Sorry. And now go to create a sketch and select this plane here. And let me hide the planes. Select a circle, make a circle with 50.8 millimeters of diameter, and press letter P in the keyboard. We will need to take a reference here. Select this point and press OK, and make the center of the circle coincident with this point. Look that the other circle is from the sketch tool, okay? And here, finish the sketch. And show the other plane, go to create a sketch and select this plane here. And press letter P in the keyboard to take reference from this circle and press OK. And select a circle. Make a circle here with 57.15 millimeters and press OK. And finish the sketch. Show the others sketching here. And now go to create and select loft. And here we will select the first square here and select the circle, and the profile 1 direction, and the profile 2 select direction. And operation new body, press OK. Show the sketch 1 again and sketch 2, and go to loft again, but now select the profile 1, this face, profile 2, this face, and the profile 3, select this face. The operation here is join and press OK. Hide the sketch tool and go to create, select loft, and show the sketch 3 here. I will hide this body a little bit, and the profile 1, select this rectangle, and the profile 2, select this circle. The operation here, direction. Let me show this body. And here we will change the takeoff angle to 15 degrees. And the operation here is join. And press OK. Make the same for the other rectangle here. Go to loft and select this sketch here and this sketch. The profile here, select the direction. Select the profile 2 here, the takeoff angle 15 degrees. The operation here is join and press OK. Hide the sketch 4. We made this one. And now go to press pull and select this face here. The distance here is 137.16 millimeters and press OK. And now go to modify, select shell and select this face and these 3 faces here. And the direction, select the outside, and the outside thickness 3 millimeters. And press OK. And now go to extrude and select this profile here. Don't select the ellipse. And the extrusion here will be minus 10 millimeters. The operation join and press OK. You can hide the sketch 1. We made this profile. And now go to fillet and select this edge here, this three edge. The fillet here is 7 millimeters, or sorry, 5 millimeters. And add selection set and select this edge here. The fillet here is 3.5 millimeters and add selection set. Select this edge here, this one. The fillet here and add this edge here and this one. The fillet here is 12.7 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now we need to create a copy of this, but we need to use the mirror, okay? So go to mirror and the object, select the component, the object, select the exhaust manifold, and the mirror plane, you can select the bottom face here and press OK. So let me move this a little bit here. Show the others component from the car engine and active the car engine V5. And now this one is to this side and this one is to this side. And now go to assembly and select the constraint component. And here select this face and this face here. And add constraints. Select this edge here and select the bottom edge here. And add the constraints. I will rotate this. And here we will select this edge. And here we will select this point here. And press OK. And now we need to create the same in the other side. So go to assembly, select the constraint component, and select this edge here and this one. And add selection set, select this face and this face here. Flip the direction. And add the constraints. Let me rotate this. Find this edge here and select this edge here and press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.